Picture this. A towering orange behemoth strides onto your dusty job site, 20 feet tall, eyes glowing with AI smarts, ready to weld, hammer, and 3D print a skyscraper wing without breaking a sweat or a human bone. RIC Robotics just announced Zyrex, the world's first giantroid, and it's not sci-fi hype. Announced April 29, 2025, this AI-powered colossus promises to bulldoze construction's biggest headaches, killer labor shortages, and job site dangers. If robots were superheroes, Tesla's Optimus is Iron Man, sleek but squishy. Zyrex? Straight-up Hulk, built to construct, not destroy. Buckle up, the future's getting a robotic facelift. The construction chaos Zyrex is here to fix. Ever watched a crew scramble because half the welders called in sick? Or shuddered at the stats? Construction claims more US lives than any other industry, with falls in machinery mangling thousands yearly? Yeah, that's the grim reality RIC Robotics is flipping. Global labor gaps hit 2.3 million workers by 2030 per McKinsey, jacking up costs and timelines. Enter Zyrex, a general-purpose beast designed for heavy lifting and finesse work alike. No more dangling humans from scaffolds. This giantroid handles demolition, material hauling, welding, carpentry, trimming, assembly, exterior finishing, and even 3D printing. What makes it tick? A cocktail of LiDAR for laser-sharp site mapping, optical cameras for eagle-eye vision, and vision language action (VLA) AI models that let it see a blueprint, understand instructions, and act with precision. It's cognitive from day one, learning on the fly, not just following scripts. And at under $1 million purchase price or $20,000 monthly leases, it's cheaper than a fleet of cranes and crews. Affordable apocalypse? Sign us up! Inside Zyrex. From human buddy to autonomous boss. RIC isn't winging this, they're rolling it out in smart phases, building on their battle-tested bots. Remember RIC Primus? That high-speed battery-powered monster reaches 32 feet and automates 3D printing like a pro. Zyrex amps it up, inheriting the mobile platform while adding full-spectrum skills. Phase 1 kicks off with human-assisted ops. Operators don VR headsets or use physical sims to guide the giant, feeding it real-time data from chaotic sites. Zyrex cross-checks against building information models, BIM, for pixel-perfect accuracy, slurping up datasets, real and synthetic, to train its VLA brain. Safety first, it dodges hazards autonomously, even in the mess of a half-built high-rise. Phase 2? Full Hulk mode. Pre-trained on that data deluge, Zyrex goes rogue, independent. Executing tasks solo under light human oversight. Weld a beam at dawn? Done. Trim delicate facades mid-storm? Nailed. Powered by a self-charging lithium-ion pack. It plugs itself in, lazy genius. It navigates human-packed sites without turning them into dodgeball. A working prototype hits early 2026, with production ramping fast. Founder Ziyu Shu boasts, "We're engineering the future of construction, tackling shortages with skilled bots at scale. And that orange paint job? Pure Hulk homage, intimidating but on your side." RIC's track record, from Walmart wonders to world changers. Don't dismiss this as vaporware. RIC's resume screams legitimacy. Their RIC M1 Pro just 3D printed a 5,000 square foot Walmart warehouse extension in Alabama. In 7 blistering days, 3 weeks ahead of schedule. That's 75% time slashed, 80% less skilled labor burned. Another in Tennessee with 200 more US gigs lined up. These aren't garage tinkers, they're the crew that turned sci-fi printing into profit. Zyrex evolves that DNA, ditching 3D-only limits for a Swiss Army knife of builds. Commercial towers, industrial plants, even disaster rebuilds. It's versatile enough to eat Elon Musk's lunch. The buzz? Industry insiders are geeking out. Equipment World calls it a tease that's already transforming sites. 3dprint.com dubs it a giantroid nightmare for outdated methods. Sure, skeptics whisper about AI glitches or union pushback. Will bots steal jobs or just the boring ones? But RIC's betting on augmentation. Humans oversee, innovate. Zyrex grinds the grunt work. Early adopters could shave 30 to 50% off project costs per similar bot pilots. The giant leap forward. Zyrex isn't coming to conquer, it's here to collaborate, turning construction from backbreaking grind to brainy ballet. As Zhu quips, this Hulk constructs, not smashes. With prototypes looming and RX momentum, 2026 could dawn on job sites where giants do the heavy lifting, literally. The era of robotic hard hats is upon us, promising safer, swifter, smarter builds that reshape skylines and save lives. Who's ready to let the big guy in? If you found this video informative, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech deep dives that'll rev your engines. Now tell me in the comments, what's the wildest project you'd sick Zyrex on? A floating city or your backyard bunker? Would you trust a 20-foot bot with your billion-dollar build?